Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. In today's video, we are going to explore John the Ripper, an open source password brute forcing tool. John the Ripper is a fast password cracker, currently available for many flavors of Unix, macOS, Windows, DOS, BEOS and OpenVMS. Its primary purpose is to detect weak Unix passwords. Besides several crypt-3 password hash types most commonly found on various Unix flavors, supported out of the box are AFS and Windows LM hashes, as well as DES-based crypt codes, plus hundreds of additional hashes and ciphers. Let's check if John the Ripper is already installed by default in Kali Linux or not. Hence, you don't need to perform any additional steps to install it. You can start using John the Ripper right away. Let's run the tool and perform brute force attack on target. We will take an example of password protected zip file and we are going to brute force it using John the Ripper. For more information, use John-help. So you can see single means single crack mode using default or named rules. So let's take an example. Firstly, we are going to create password protected zip file. So open file folder and go to downloads. Here we have to convert JPG image into password protected zip file. So now let's go to the terminal. Open the terminal and type zip password and type 12345, which is the password for our zip file, and type the file name dot zip, which is the extension, and enter the file image location. Hit enter. So now our file is converted into zip file. Then we convert that password protected zip file into hash.txt. For converting password protected zip file into hash.txt, we have to use the command zip to John, our file name, greater than sign, and the file name which we have to give to that hash file. Hit enter. So now our zip file is converted into hash.txt. Let's use John the Ripper for brute forcing password of that zip file. We use password.txt as a password file to brute force to get correct password. Let's use John the Ripper for brute forcing password of that zip file. We use password.txt as a password file to brute force to get correct password. So open the terminal and type John-format is equal to pkzip hash.txt, which is the name of our hash file, -- word list, and password.txt. Hit enter, and here we get our password, which is 12345. You can run John the Ripper to brute force zip file, RAR file and hash file password. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial on John the Ripper helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting hacking tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure.